In this video, I'll show you how to mask text in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Navigate to the Upload section and click Upload File to import the photo you want to use. Once uploaded, drag the photo onto your page and adjust its size and position as needed. Next, go to the Elements tab and search for frames. Click See All to explore all frame options. Scroll down until you find the Letters category. Click on your desired letter frames to add them to the page. Then resize and align the letters to form your text. Return to the Upload section and drag the same photo you uploaded earlier into each letter frame. Double-click a letter frame to adjust the position of the photo inside it, ensuring it matches the original background photo's placement. Repeat this process for every letter in your text. Finally, click on the background photo and drag its edges to fine-tune its framing, ensuring it aligns seamlessly with the masked text. That's it! I hope this tutorial helped you create stunning masked text effects in Canva. Thanks for watching!